Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install ChatGPT as an app on your desktop. So you will have your icon here or in your taskbar or wherever you want to, and you will be able to access ChatGPT quickly. So let's begin. The first thing we're gonna do is open your browser and then go to ChatGPT. I have it right here. Now, once you're here, we want to go to these three dots, then save answer and create shortcut. Now it's important that you mark this checkbox, and you can change the name if you want to, but I will leave it like this, create. And here you can choose if you want to pin it on your taskbar or not. I will click yes. Now let's close Google Chrome, and here you have ChatGPT. You can close it, and it's right here. And it also created this shortcut in your desktop, so you just need to double click it and ChatGPT will pop up. So that's basically it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.